Imagine waking up to discover you are the last person on Earth. No cars, no sirens, no voices. Just the hum of a world that stopped. You look at the clock. It's 8 a.m., but the sun feels different today. You walk to the window. The streets are empty. Completely empty. For a second, you think it's a joke. You wait for someone to laugh. But nobody does. You are the only heartbeat left in this city. At first, there is panic. You run from room to room, calling out. You check your phone. No signals. No notifications. No connection. That's when the reality hits. The weight of it crushes your chest. You sit at your kitchen table, staring at a cold cup of coffee. You realize that tomorrow doesn't mean anything anymore. The plans you had, the stress you carried, they vanished instantly. But then, something strange happens. You start to see clearly. You stop worrying about what people think. There is no one to judge. You stop rushing. There is nowhere to be. You walk outside. You notice the birds are louder than ever. You sit on a park bench and watch the clouds move in total peace. You realize that society was just a loud noise you lived inside. Now, you are finally, terrifyingly, beautifully free. You go back inside and pick up a book you never had time to read. You write a note, not for anyone to read, but to prove you existed. You cook a meal, enjoying the smell instead of rushing to eat. You look at a photo frame on the wall, a memory of a life before. You don't cry, you smile. You are the curator of human history now. You realize that being smart isn't about productivity anymore. It's about surviving the weight of absolute solitude with your sanity. You learn to talk to yourself, to become your own best company. You realize the world didn't end. You were just set apart from it. You take a deep breath. You are the last one, but you are enough. Close your eyes. Imagine this is your life. What would you do today?